I have fallen in love with many different types of expression. We started about face. I have tattoos. I'm known for shaving my head and wearing wigs and changing my clothes. You can't shave your head and then change your mind the next morning. That's the best thing about makeup. It's a little bit more forgiving in the sense that you can try on a new look or experiment with something that's maybe a little bit risky for you, and if it doesn't work out, no sweat. You can take it off and start over. Duality is a pretty common thread in most of my projects and in most of the things that I do as Halsey. You know, I think it's pretty obvious that I have Ashley on a day-to-day basis and Halsey when I'm expressing myself through music or through art. Ashley is very, very low maintenance. She is like a skincare type of girl, a little bit of highlight, throw it in the bag and go. Halsey is definitely different. Halsey is super experimental. I get to try really, really crazy, rebellious colors that I don't usually get to use. But at the end of the day, I still like my face best when I get to take it all off and just be Ashley. When I'm starting a makeup look, I usually have no idea where it's going to end up. It's exactly the same as I am when my brush touches a canvas. I kind of just paint and like see where it goes. That's the best thing about this Glam Bag X collection, is that there is something for everyone in it. I'm including some of my favorite products from some of my favorite brands. Of course, my first being my brand About Face from Tatcha and even Fenty Beauty, and I think you guys are gonna love everything that I chose. I can't wait to unveil the full collection. I am mostly excited because Glam Bag X is so personal. Everyone gets to personalize it in their own way, and I get to see so many different takes of the most authentic you with the products you choose.